In front of me is Redmi Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from a Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then wait for the pop-up and choose Consent. To manage wallpaper settings, click at the top left corner, operate all of those, and check out Preview on the right. If you want to check out something more interesting, hit Presets at the top left corner, tap on the best one, and hit Yes. Then adjust all of its settings. When you finished, click at the bottom right corner, choose Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where by clicking on one of those options. Then close your app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!